If you care about Shiba Inu or possess any Shib tokens, you need to view this. The crypto markets, including Shiba Inu, are in a horrible situation right now, with the whole crypto market in a decline at the moment, and things appear set to become a lot worse in the near term. What's the newest information about Shiba Inu currency? Why is the cryptocurrency market crashing? When will the value of Shiba Inus recover from this mess? In today's video, I'll explain everything that's been going on with Shiba Inus recently and answer your questions. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. Before we get into it, however, let's check over the Shiba price chart for today, October 10th, to see where things stand. The current price of a Shiba Inu is about $691, a drop of 3.9% over the previous 24 hours, with a 24-hour trading volume of $19 million in Shib. Additionally, the token's current market cap of almost $4 billion places it in the top 19 by value among all cryptocurrencies. Prices shown in this video may have changed after its original release. Please conduct your own study into the crypto market before investing, since the material here is not financial advice. The meat of today's video is up next. The crash of the crypto market. This is why the value of Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and Shib has dropped so quickly. Uncertainty has led to a widespread sell-off in the cryptocurrency market, with the total value of all cryptocurrencies falling by approximately 0.5%. Bitcoin maintains its value, but other cryptocurrencies including Ethereum, XRP, Solana, Doge, and Shib see significant selling within minutes. The Fear and Greed Index for the cryptocurrency market fell from 14.5% to 4.7% in under 1 hour. Why are all the coins dropping at once? According to CoinGlass, there was a large liquidation of long positions worth $19 million on October 10. The highest single liquidation order on Bybit's Bitcoin has liquidated more than 38,000 dealers in the last 24 hours. The total USD amount was $3.11 million. As a consequence of the recent selling pressure, the cryptocurrency market as a whole is down today. However, following 6 weeks of withdrawals, investors put $78 million into digital asset investment products for a second week in a row. This week's $24 million influx is the most for Solana since March 2022. Even though Bitcoin is beginning to show weakness as the price falls below $27,700, popular expert Michael Van to Pop believes that the cryptocurrency will continue to make higher lows and remain above $27,500. He anticipates additional declines and corrections for all coins. The sell-off was mostly driven by macro issues. WTI and Brent oil prices rise as a result of the increased geopolitical risk in the Middle East caused by the fighting between Israel and Hamas. As a result of the war, stock markets throughout the globe are in the red. Investors are worried about the effects of a possible inflation surge on the future course of monetary policy worldwide. The S&P 500, Dow Jones, and Nasdaq 100 futures all point to a decline of more than 0.5% in the United States. The rise in oil prices continued to put pressure on European and Asian markets as well. At the same time, the US dollar index rises over 106.50, threatening to exert even more upward pressure on the price of Bitcoin. It would mean the world if you could hit the like button if you're still here. It won't break the bank and will be a huge boost to the channel. However, stay tuned to learn the most recent Shiba Inu news and what the potential of the Shiba Inu token. There will be a new Shib-linked blockchain, according to the Shib Association. The creators of Shibarium just launched a new organization in August called the Shib Association. The association has revealed some information on a forthcoming blockchain with a specific emphasis on Shibs as part of its efforts to increase Shib usage. As was discussed in the Crypto Basic, the new blockchain would be dedicated only to Shib and would let users to pay fees using a pegged form of Shib. As a result of the news, however, many people assumed that the new chain would be a fork of an already existing blockchain or another forked blockchain. In a recent update released on Monday, the Shib Association refuted these allegations. The association has said that its new blockchain is constructed in a unique way and is not a clone of any existing blockchain. The Shib Association has specifically stated that the forthcoming network would be a Layer 1 blockchain with decentralized operations and its own security and consensus mechanisms. In addition, the blockchain will have a robust use case, which will increase its attractiveness in the crowded cryptocurrency market. In contrast to Shibarium, a Layer 2 solution based on Ethereum, the next intended blockchain has a different design. The new blockchain from the Shib Association will employ a pegged form of the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency, in contrast to the bone tokens used by Shibarium. Fee reduction, Shib burns, and fair rewards are all on the new blockchain. As part of its most recent update, the Shib Association said that the new chain's goal is to strike a middle ground between charging modest fees to consumers and contributing to the burn of Shib to limit its supply. To keep transaction costs low while still burning over a penny would be the goal. The Shib-focused chain also offers a more equitable compensation system for nodes in the network, which is another plus. Proof of participation will be used as the consensus mechanism on the chain, making token distribution more equitable than with proof of labor or proof of stake. It was also pointed out by the Shib Association that the new blockchain is still in its formative phases. Details on its layout and integration with the Shib ecosystem will be forthcoming. A big Shibarium integration is hinted at by the Shiba Inu node supplier. With regards to the Shiba Inu blockchain, the Now Nodes team has stated that they are working on a new integration. The Now Nodes team states in the notice that they are working non-stop on the new venture. However, it did not provide any specifics regarding the nature of this integration. It just hinted that it might be available shortly. According to the announcement, our team has been working harder than the devil on the next product integrations and releases. When will the new Shibarium integration for Now Nodes be available? Meanwhile, the node provider announced a schedule for the completion of the Now Nodes Shibarium integration, much to the delight of the Shib army. The formal announcement, as per the notice, would be made within a week's time to the developers in the Shiba Inu community. Please join us next week as we unveil a brand new Shibarium integration. Here, Nodes made a statement. As may be expected, the teasing event piqued the interest of Shiba Inu enthusiasts. Vet Kusama, the brother of Shiba Inu's anonymous creator, Shaketochi Kusama, responded to the post made by Now Nodes. Vet's response was an emoji of wide-eyed amazement and eager expectation. Other Shiba Inu fans also expressed their excitement about the upcoming Now Nodes release. Even beyond the Shiba Inu community, prominent individuals have high hopes for Shibarium's eventual incorporation into the Now Node. Shibarium is now at Node. You may remember that after the recent restart of the blockchain, the node provider released the Shibarium RPC complete node. The Shibarium RPC node's primary goal was to provide crypto engineers and businesses unrestricted access to the Shibarium network, allowing for the maximum potential for growth and development. At the same time, as revealed by CryptoBasic 2 weeks ago, Now Node has included low-cost technological bots into its Shibarium RPC complete node. The team believes that the connection will open up new possibilities inside Shibarium, particularly for DeFi tools. Now, the node service provider is about to provide yet another Shibarium integration to entice more programmers to join the Shiba community. Keep in mind that although the price of Shib is falling, the development team is hard at work, positioning the project favorably for the Bitcoin bull run in 2024. Several thousand of our subscribers have said that they have no intention of ever selling their Shib holdings, because they have faith in the Shiba Inu team and the use of Shib in the actual world. What is the current count in your hands? Please share your Shib holdings with the community by commenting below. Let us laud the bearer of the Shib for having faith in and confidence in the system. Please give this video a large thumbs up if you're enjoying it, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts on the Shiba Inu token in the comments if you have any questions or concerns. Also, enable post notifications so that you are alerted whenever we upload a new video.